In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily highlight text in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Highlighting text is a great way to draw attention to key points and make your slides more engaging. Let's walk through this simple yet effective process together. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft PowerPoint file, the one where you have your presentation ready to go. Ensure that you've determined which slide contains the text you'd like to highlight. Navigating to this particular file might seem basic, but getting organized from the get-go can save you time and maximize efficiency, especially if you have several presentations to manage. Now that you're in your PowerPoint presentation, find the slide containing the text you intend to highlight. Look closely at your text and using your mouse, double-click on the specific words or phrases you want to focus on. If multiple text areas require attention or you're looking to highlight a large section, another approach is to click and drag your cursor over the entire text. This ensures you've selected exactly what you want without missing any details. As you have your text selected, direct your attention to the Home tab located on the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint window. This is where you'll find most of the text formatting options available to you. Under this Home tab, find the Font section. Within this section, there's an icon labeled Text Highlight Color. This icon is situated conveniently below the Increase Font Size button. This tool is your golden ticket to adding that much needed color spec to your text. Clicking on the Text Highlight Color will reveal a palette of colors for you to choose from. Consider the overall design and theme of your presentation as you choose your highlight color. If your slides have a colorful background, try opting for a contrasting color to make your highlighted text pop effectively. On the other hand, if your design is more muted or monochrome, a bright, vivid highlight could be the right choice to bring the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. Once you've clicked on your preferred color, you'll notice your selected text transforming immediately with a new highlight. This process should feel intuitive, yet if it doesn't match your expectations, you can repeat the steps as many times as needed to perfect your presentation. And that's it. You're done. Highlighting text is an easy and impactful way to enhance your PowerPoint slides, ensuring your audience doesn't miss the most critical points of your message. This straightforward approach is designed to help you present with clarity and confidence. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel empowered to take your presentations to the next level. Happy presenting and thanks for tuning in.